Welcome to Casa R&R, a unique family home nestled amidst a dense pine forest. This isn't your typical vacation getaway, it's a carefully designed space that prioritizes both togetherness and separation. Let's explore how the architecture achieves this balance. The house unfolds like a modern marvel, its H-shaped layout responding to two key factors, the family's lifestyle and the existing landscape. The highest point becomes home to the public areas, a yoga room for gatherings, a guest suite, and even a laundry room. Separated by a towering retaining wall, this volume acts almost independently. We enter through the garage into a central hub, the kitchen and dining area. Imagine a sleek glass box bathed in light, a stark contrast to the surrounding volumes. This is the nerve center, a place for family meals and connection. The open kitchen and dining area boasts double the views. A serene water feature graces the north side, while a south-facing terrace beckons with a barbecue area and a large family table, perfect for al fresco gatherings. Throughout Casa R&R, a minimalist approach reigns supreme. Stone, wood, steel, glass, and black tile, these are the building blocks that create a sense of harmony and focus on what truly matters: family, nature, and a space that reflects both. Stepping down half a level, we find the living room. Here, the space cleverly divides into two sections, a cozy family area with a TV and a more formal space warmed by a fireplace. A hallway lined with wood on one side and expansive windows on the other leads to the bedroom area. The bedrooms prioritize privacy while maintaining a connection to nature. Picture tall windows overlooking a private garden, capturing the gentle morning light. The master bedroom enjoys its own secluded patio, separated from the children's rooms by another small haven. Even the bathrooms embrace the outdoors, featuring private patios with wooden walls. Here's a look at the floor plans of the home. Casa R&R is an architectural gem that seamlessly blends functionality with a deep respect for its surroundings. It's a testament to thoughtful design that caters to the needs of a modern family, fostering connection and tranquility in equal measure.